under President Obama to expand and increase and make more powerful the United States nuclear arsenal. So these messages and words are as relevant as ever. Lastly, I want to point out, way in the back of the room there, we have two young men from Bloomfield College, Josiah Covington and Steve Freeman. Stand up, please. They are part of a really exciting new initiative that one of our major donors helped happen. We are starting a new chapter of peace action on the Bloomfield College campus. And on Thursday, Steve Freeman, Tim Sevener, and I were collector at the college at a volunteer career fair, and we obtained, through the efforts mostly of Steve Freeman, about 40 or 50 signatures in an hour and a half from students who wanted to see this chapter get off the ground at Bloomfield College. So it's a really exciting time. And then just two more things. We need you as volunteers. We need each and every one of you. We're all going to need to work together, whether we work on refugee issues, immigration issue, we oppose the wall, we oppose this or work on that. And so also in your journal, there's a sheet for volunteering. Please fill it out. Let us know how you can help. Let us know what you can do. We're going to be lobbying. We're going to be tabling from April through November. We could really use your help. Each and every one of us out there talking to people about what needs to happen to make this country better. And then last two. On April 4th, saying this in honor of Martin Luther King, who, while he was not one of our founders, he supported New Jersey, sane nationally, and we may have had something in common because we were on Nixon's hit list. And